Hi everybody, it's Saltash Maths Tutor and we're going to be doing an exciting video today, and it's all about surface area problems, and they are the sorts of problems that you see in your exam, and you're going to get something like this and be asked to work out the surface area of it. Now I would stress we are not doing the volume, we're doing the surface area. So what is that surface area? The surface area is, if I was to shade in this diagram, it's that bit there, that's a surface, and what's the area of that? And we sort of know how to work out the area of things, don't we? If we don't, we're going to go over it in a second. And then it would be the, I'm just changing the colours, maybe it would be the back here. That would be a surface, and then it would be this side here, that's another surface, and then you can probably see if I carried on doing that, we've got the top, and we've got the bottom, and we've also got the front bit here as well. It's a bit like going in and colouring in each side. It's all of those surface areas added up together. So, well, look, let's start. Because if I was to take one of these side boxes and turn it so that we could see it a bit better, it would look like, sort of look like that, wouldn't it? And so we'd have 3 by 4. That's this side here, and all I've done is I've just turned it round so we can see it more easily. So what's the surface area of anything? Well, the surface area is all of this bit in here, which is 3 times 4. Now how many of those sides have we got? Well, actually we've got the one that I've just highlighted, and we've also got this one here as well. So we've got 3 times 4, which is 12, and we've got another side, so, well, that's 2 sides, isn't it? We've got 2 of those sides, so that's 24. That's what we've got so far. So I've just tidied that up a little bit and just highlighted the 2 sides that we've calculated. Okay, well, why don't we do the top then? Let's have a look at what the top is. And the top is this bit here. And again, if I turn that so that we can see it a bit better, then the top is going to be about that shape. And it's going to be, what is that? Well, we've got this length here, haven't we? So that's 3. And then we've got this length here. Well, because it's a box, all of the lengths are the same. Ah, well, there we've got the 10 there. So it's actually a 3 by 10 box. And so let's do the calculation for that. We'll sort of colour code that. This is the top we're doing. So that's 3 times 10. But obviously we've got the top and we've got the bottom as well. So we've got 3 times 10, which is 30, and then we've got 2 of those, so 30 times 2 equals 60. So now we've got top and we've got the bottom, and that equals 60. Okay, we're nearly there. So the only bits that we've got left now to do are the front. And obviously, I'm sorry that this is getting a bit busy, but I suppose it is the nature of the beast. We've got the front, and if we've got the front, then we've also got the back as well. So again, let's take the front. We'll just isolate it. The front is going to look like that, sort of, isn't it? And we know from the diagram that we've got that that's 4 by 10. And again, it's the same thing. The area is 4 times 10. Which equals 40, and we know that we've got the front and the back, which I'm not going to highlight because that really would make it busy, but that's 40 times 2, which is 80. So we've got the front and we've got the back. You'll notice my handwriting is awful, which is 80. So an important thing to do is actually to make sure, just a quick check on this, is how many sides have I got on this shape? Well, I've got 2 sides, a top and a bottom, and a front and a back, so I've got 6 sides. And if I've got 6 sides, I should have 6 numbers. And we've sort of gone a little bit further than we need to, but we can still sort of check that. 2 sides were 24, so that's 2. Top and a bottom, that's another 2, so that's 4 sides. That was 60. And the front and the back, that's 2 sides, and that was 80. Now all we have to do is add those together. So 4, 0 and 0 is 4. And then I'm going to take the 8 and the 2, and that makes 10, plus the 6 is 16, and I add that together. And that means that the surface area, all the bits that you can touch effectively on this shape, add up to a surface area of 164. And in your exam you'll be told the units that you're going to be using. So it could be anything, it could be centimetres for instance, or metres, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. So I hope that's been of some use to you, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another video up now which will work through some of the exam questions now that we've done the introduction of what we need to do. This has been Saltash Maths Tutor. If this has been of any help to you, then that's brilliant. I am very pleased. If you need any further assistance, just post a message and I will make another video for you. That's it. Have a good time. Good revision, good work.